I switched to Canva from PixelLab, and here's why. The reason was simple. PixelLab wasn't giving me that fun anymore. And when designing is not fun anymore, you know how it feels. Don't get me wrong, but PixelLab is a kind of a good app. But what it lacks is actually consistent of updates. There was barely any updates. Instead of updates, we were facing some kind of new issues every time. Like the custom fonts. If we need to upload the custom fonts, we need to go back to the older versions of PixelLab. But when we switch to the older versions, we saw another new problem, like the PLP file is not working or some sort of a problem. And you guys know how a headache this kind of problems are. It totally kills your mindset, your creative flow, everything. And that's why I wasn't having a good experience in PixelLab. Now on the other hand, let's talk about Canva. We all know what Canva can do. We'll not talk about that. My real question was that, can Canva handle this kind of sports poster we used to make on PixelLab? The answer is some sort of yes. I'll show you how. A post you are seeing on the screen was totally made on Canva. A full tutorial is coming out. At the time you are watching, it might have gone live. If it goes, you can see over here or in the description or after the video. Recently, Canva has become way more powerful and easy to use. Especially for us like mobile designers, it's a kind of a cheat code. So the one thing I really love about the Canva is it is a cloud-based software. Once you open a project, you can open it anywhere by your mobile or from a browser or from your computer, anywhere. And the big thing is that their resources, man, photos, elements, shapes, it's all built in the software. For this reason, you spend less time in searching, more time actually in designing. Canva also makes life easier of a social media designer. Different post sizes, quick resizing, fast exports, everything is just one click away. I'm telling you the good sides. It doesn't mean it's perfect. It has some flaws too. Firstly, if I tell you about a flaw, I don't think that's a flaw, but I am saying that most of the things or stuff you like on Canva, it needs a premium access. But to be honest and let's be real, with the Canva student ID, you can access it way more easier and it's super affordable. Biggest flaw is after accessing the premium feature, you still can't upload custom fonts. For that, you need a Canva owner account, which is a little bit expensive. But Canva has given us a lot of help fonts that we might not need it. The final talk is I am genuinely liking Canva and I am using it continuously for my client projects, for my personal projects, and for the upcoming videos and the upcoming tutorials. I am going to use Canva and I am not going to use PixelLab. So that's why I am making this video to tell you I have switched to Canva. You should have to give it a try. Well, last one thing, this video is not a sponsored. This was totally my personal experience and I am telling you that you will love it. So this was for today. See you on another video. Till then, be smart, be safe, be creative.